90th General Assembly of Interpol. India is set to host the 90th General Assembly of the International Criminal Police Organization, Interpol, from October 18 to 21 this year in New Delhi. The General Assembly is Interpol's apex governing body, having representatives from all 195 member countries. Interpol meets once a year to promote the collaboration between all police authorities towards the prevention and suppression of ordinary crimes across the world. Representatives at the General Assembly are mostly chiefs of police and senior ministry officials. The purpose of the Interpol General Assembly is to determine the principles and means for the organization to achieve its objectives. It will review and approve the program of activities and financial policy for the next year. It also elects the members of the Executive Committee, the governing body that provides guidance and direction in between sessions of the General Assembly. It provides opportunities for senior law enforcement officials to share experiences and best practices. India will be hosting the 90th General Assembly in New Delhi. It will be attended by around 2,000 foreign dignitaries, including ministers, police chiefs, police officers, and support staff from 195 countries, as well as Interpol head office representatives and Indian officials and media. India is hosting the event for the first time in 25 years. It was proposed by Union Home Minister Amit Shah in 2019, as part of the 75th anniversary of Indian independence. About Interpol. The International Criminal Police Organization, or Interpol, is an international organization that promotes global cooperation in policing and crime control. Founded in 1923, it is the oldest international police organization. The proposal to set up this organization was made during the First International Criminal Police Congress in 1914. India joined the organization in 1949. Its mandate covers almost